In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scheduling link in Notion Calendar. First, a quick look at what scheduling is in Notion Calendar. It's a built-in feature that lets you share your availability via a booking link. When someone opens it, they only see the times you've made available, choose a slot that works for them, and the event is added to your calendar automatically. To get started, open Notion Calendar. You can use the web or desktop app. Just make sure you're viewing the calendar interface. Next, open the scheduling panel by clicking Scheduling in the left sidebar or press the S key. This panel is the control center for links you create, and it's where you'll manage everything related to your availability. You'll be asked to choose the type of link. A recurring link is best for ongoing availability, like weekly office hours. It repeats on the days and times you set, so people can book future slots without you rebuilding it each week. A one-off link is for a specific occasion or single meeting. Perfect when you only want to offer a limited window. Now set your available times. If you're creating a one-off link, simply drag on the calendar to mark the exact blocks you want to offer. You can add a few separate blocks if you want alternatives. If you're creating a recurring link, enter the days and times you're consistently available and add multiple ranges per day to split morning and afternoon windows. Leave a small buffer around meetings and double-check that the time zone shown matches what your invitees will see. A little attention here goes a long way toward preventing back-to-back bookings or unexpected late-night invites. Here's what happens next. When someone opens your scheduling link, they'll only see the slots you've offered, not your full calendar. They choose a time, complete the booking, and the meeting appears on your calendar automatically. If a slot gets taken, it's no longer shown to others, helping you avoid overlap. It's a simple way to let people self-serve a time that works without any manual coordination on your part. That's all you need to create a scheduling link in Notion Calendar. Open the app, head to the scheduling panel, pick recurring or one-off, and define the times you're willing to meet. Keep your availability up to date, and you'll spend less time emailing back and forth and more time meeting when it actually works for everyone.